Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see class 5 problem set 18. Question is given as convert the given fractions into like fractions. So let's see how to do this type of sums. Let's get into the worksheet. For this you have to make the denominator value same. That means both the values should be same. So let's see how to do the question number 1. First question is given as 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 8. So we will check for the denominators. Both the values are different. Here it is 4 and here it is 8. So we have to make it same. So we will check whether they have any multiplication tables of same, like 4 and 8 has a combination. In 4's table 4 2's becomes 8. Understanding children? So how we will do this? 3 upon 4 we will write and 5 upon 8. So if you multiply 4 with 2 you will get the value as 8. Understanding? So if you have multiplied 2 in the denominator, we will multiply 2 in the numerator as well. So what is the value you are getting? 3 2's will become 6 and 4 2's will become 8. And here we have multiplied nothing. So here it will be 5 upon 8. So these two are your like fractions. So here also you have made it 8 and here also it is 8. So your fractions have become same. Understanding? Let's see the second question. 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7. Here also denominators are different. We will make it same. But neither in 5's table 7 goes nor in 7 table 5 goes. So we will cross multiply. How we will do that? We will write 3 upon 5 and we will write 3 upon 7. 3 upon 7. So we will multiply this side with this 7. Understanding children? Here 7 and numerator also 7. And for this number we will multiply with this 5. Understanding? To make it same. 5. What we have done? We have multiplied the 5. We have multiplied 7 here and we have multiplied 5 here. So what is the value you are getting? 3 7's will become 21 and 5 7's will become 35. And here 3 5's will become 15 and 7 5's will become 35. Now both your denominators are same. So this is your like fractions. Understanding? Let's see the third question. 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 10. Here also denominators are different. We will check whether they have any common table. Yes, 5 in 5's table 10 goes. At what time? 2 times. So what we will multiply? We will multiply with 2. Only this fraction. So 4 upon 5 we will multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. And for 3 upon 10 we will write it same way. So 4 2's will become 8 and 5 2's will become 10 and 3 upon 10. So both the values has become 10. So this is your like fraction. Understanding children? Let's see the fourth question. 2 upon 9 and 1 upon 6. Here also denominators are different. We will cross multiply. How we will cross multiply? We will write 2 upon 9 here and 1 upon 6 this side. We will multiply this number with this 6. Understanding? Same way for this side we will multiply with this 9. Understanding children? 9 and 9. So what is the value you are getting? 2 6 will become 12 and 9 6 will become 54. Same way 1 9 will become 9 and 9 6 will become 54. So you have got 54 and 54. Denominators are same. So this is your like fractions. Hope you are understanding students. We will see the fifth question. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. Here also no resemblance of table are there. So we will cross multiply. 1 upon 4 and 2 upon 3. We will multiply this side with this 3. Understanding children? And this side with 4. This denominator. So 3 ones are 3 and 4 threes are 12. 2 fours are 8 and 3 fours are 12. So these are your like fractions. Hope you are understanding the concept, students. You can solve question number 6, 7 and 8 the same way. I have already done with problem set 17. Do check for that video also. Don't forget to like the video, share with your friends and subscribe my channels for further notifications. For the next class we will be doing problem set 19. So thank you, students.